What's happening, beautiful people? Very good day, very good morning, very good afternoon, everyone, wherever you are, on this beautiful Thursday, 20th of May, 2021. How are you guys doing? Let me know how you're doing in the comments box below, guys. And let me know if you're struggling with anything, if you have any burning questions about the markets, cryptocurrencies, indices, stocks, and currency pairs. Crude oil WTI futures are on the rebound after a sharp drop of over $2, currently trading at $62.59, recovering somehow after the heavy losses. And in the left-hand side of the screen, we can see the Euro-US dollar once again on a 15-minute chart, which is pushing higher on the European trading session, breaking the 121 level as we speak, 122.02 for the Euro-US dollar. How are you guys doing? How are you, lovely people? What are you struggling with? What do you like to trade on this beautiful Thursday? Did you see what happened with Bitcoin yesterday, people? Let's have a quick look at the charts. We are 1 hour and a half pre-US markets open, before the opening bell. And we have some news that might leave some people there we go. Dow futures 120 points lower before the opening bell today. Fed meeting minutes and Bitcoin in focus. Right, crude oil WTI $62.60 as we speak, and 59 cents. Moving up, moving to the upside. Targeting that 50 moving average, 63.12 is going to be the first target price to the upside. Euro-US dollar has been pushing higher the entire European trading session so far. 121.98, 122 was reached a minute ago. We're looking at the pound, guys, which is also trading higher, targeting that 200 moving average at 141.41. 141.31 is the current market price, only 10 basis points to the upside. Not a lot of movement in the markets today, a lot of mixed signals. Moving on, we're looking at USD JPY, guys, which is literally flat since the European markets opened. 108.98, 108.97 is the current market price, and we see the price action falling below the 200 moving average. Usually that indicates a bit of a downtrend. Let's see what's going to happen after the US markets open. AUD USD, guys, on a 15-minute chart on investing.com, we're looking at 0.7754, the current market price. We see that retest of that 200 moving average to the upside. If the candlesticks manage to settle above the 200 MA, the Aussie dollar might be on the rebound. But if we're going to see a rejection from that 200 moving average, that basically means the Aussie dollar will drop, making it good for sell. Let's have a look at USD Cad, which is has been trading to the downside the entire European trading session today. 121.11 is the current market price. You can see that support level, which I've highlighted on the chart. That's where the price is expected to go, guys, and very, very likely it's going to happen. We're inches away from that target. USD Cad trading to the downside, 121.11, with the RSI and stochastic pointing downwards, and probably it's the only currency pair that gives us today a bit of a direction of the markets, let's say. What do you think? Let me know what you think. The S&P 500 and the Dow Jones closed the day in green earlier yesterday, but they opened to the downside. So let's see what's going to happen today. Both the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones are expected to open to the downside today. Big sell-off on the US stock markets, big sell-off on the crypto sphere. What else is dropping, guys? What else is dropping? We're going to have a look at commodities in a minute. Meanwhile, we're looking at the US dollar index trading to the downside. 90.015 is the current market price. Not a lot of movement happened today on the European trading session. And if the US dollar goes down, guys, what do we know? Gold futures are trading higher. $1,872.60 for an ounce of gold. $1,872.30 for gold futures this afternoon, with the RSI and the stochastic pointing upwards and with the price action happening above the 200 moving average. Might be an interesting buy position on gold, might be an interesting sell position on the US dollar index. Brent oil futures, $65.75 this afternoon. Very similar movement to the one on crude oil WTI. The only difference is the price difference. That's it. We saw a sharp drop, followed by a bit of a pullback right now, probably targeting that 50 moving average at 66.34. Let's see, will that continue or not? Silver futures trading to the upside, $27.89 for silver this afternoon. A retest of that 200 moving average is imminent. We're again half an inch away from it. Very likely it's going to happen. And the question is, what's going to happen from there? Tesla, guys, $563 at closing yesterday for Tesla. Big gap to the downside at the US markets open yesterday. Tesla tried to push a bit higher. It only gained about $20 or less during the US trading session. And probably today is going to open to the upside, to the downside once again. And Bitcoin, everyone's favorite, is trading today at $39,897. After the price got rejected from that 200 MA, we see the RSI pointing downwards, we see stochastic pointing downwards, and let's not forget the massive sell-off that happened on the markets yesterday. The question remains though, will this continue today? How low can the Bitcoin go, guys? I was checking some charts, I was checking some news the other day. Basically, analysts are seeing Bitcoin retesting the $30,000 mark, okay, which is basically $9,000, $10,000 below the current market price. Is that plausible? What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments box below. Do you think Bitcoin will go down to 30,000, guys? And if that's gonna happen, are you gonna buy it? Are you gonna buy the dip? And finally, Ethereum, people, trading currently at $2,682.47. By the looks of it, looking down, looking to probably go down even more today. Let's see. You know, the markets, even the crypto markets, tend to move more prior to the US markets open. We are exactly 1.5 hours away from the US markets open, guys. Let's see what's going to happen. We had a series of articles being released today. Basically, the Dow futures were down 120 points, or 0.4%. The S&P was down 0.3% lower, and the Nasdaq 100 futures dropped 0.2% before the opening bell today. Let's have a quick look at some trading signals provided by investing.com, guys. We can see that the money markets have calmed down a bit, with the euro and the pound indicating a strong buy on all 4 time frames versus the US dollar. USD CHF, 4 strong sell indications on all 4 time frames. USD JPY, sell and strong sell indications coming from investing.com. And the AUD USD, strong buy on 2 out of the 4 time frames. USD Cad, strong sell all over the board, 4 strong sell indications from investing.com. Bad day for the US dollar, guys, another bad day for the US dollar, but this can only mean opportunities for traders. Strong sell for USD CHF, strong sell for USD CAD, strong sell for Euro CHF, and strong sell for GBP CHF. Let's have a quick look at commodities. Commodities were in red earlier on. We can see some changes, with gold and silver indicating a strong buy. Therefore, the US dollar is expected to drop, guys. Copper, strong buy on a 5-minute and a 15-minute chart. Crude oil WTI and Brent oil, which were in a strong sell earlier on, turned 180 degrees, indicating a strong buy in a buy position on a 5-minute chart. Natural gas, 2 strong buy indications and 2 buy indications, all green for natural gas overall. And US wheat, guys, looking at US wheat at the bottom of the charts, we can see 4 strong sell signals. Let me know what you think about the signals, guys. Are the signals correct? We're going to take a 30-second advert break, and then we're coming back live with the cryptocurrencies, guys. We're going to have a look at some cryptocurrencies on our sponsors platform at MarketsX or Markets.com. We're going to see how Cardano is doing, how Ripple is doing, how Monero is doing. We already know how Bitcoin and Ethereum are. So stay tuned, guys. We're coming back live in exactly 30 seconds with the crypto news.
Discover how some of the top executives are trading their own companies with our Insider Trades tool. See who's been buying or selling stock and what their trades say about insider sentiment. Use this unique big data tool to make more informed stock trades. higher trading from MarketX.
Right, welcome back, beautiful people. Let's have a quick look at cryptocurrencies, Crypto Market Watch. This is the topic for the next 5 minutes or so. We're using the trading platform of our sponsors at MarketX or Markets.com. Amazing web-based trading platform with quite a few cryptocurrencies to choose from. Quite a few. So, Bitcoin trading to the downside after correcting in the last 4 or 5 hours or so, but it's still trading at $40,000, guys. Nowhere near where it was yesterday. Ethereum, basically it's we're looking at a copy-paste on the charts from Bitcoin. We see Ethereum suffering as well. Yesterday we see Ethereum strengthening in the last few hours and currently trading at $2,733. Again, miles away from its price yesterday and a couple of days ago. But anyway, this is what volatility does to the price. 0x token, big drop followed by a recovery. And as we look at the charts, okay, we can see a couple of green candlesticks, still very shy. Not many people seem to be buying 0x token. At least as things stand right now. Cardano. There we go. We can see a bit of a correction on Cardano, trading at 178.11. Good recovery, very good movement for Cardano. Probably better than the Bitcoin. Chainlink. Again, recovered after a sharp drop. Currently trading at 29.8538. Let's have a look at Dash. Again, copy-paste, guys. Dash suffered a big drop, and we're looking at Dash correcting for the last 10 hours or so. Dash is currently trading at $216.69. Good movement. Who knows? Maybe the crypto markets will recover eventually. Taking Bitcoin back up to over $50,000. Let's have a look at EOS, guys. Let's see how EOS is doing. 642.15 for EOS this afternoon. Very shy correction. Very shy correction there. Let's look at Litecoin. There we go. $210.68 for Litecoin. Monero, I couldn't tell if I changed the chart or not by the chart itself. I had to look at the price. Monero is currently trading at $245.37, pushing to the upside as we speak. This might be the time. This might be an interesting moment to try and buy the dip, guys. Look at that big drop. Basically, that's what everyone will be targeting. Yeah, the drop from $486. Okay, that's the previous all-time high for Monero. So very likely buyers will set their take profit targets to the upside around that price, somewhere there. Almost $500. Interesting, very interesting to see how this green candlestick is performing. If it's gonna trade a bit higher, then I'm gonna start believing in a correction. Let's see. Meanwhile, we're looking at NEO. Good correction for NEO as well. $63 on the dot for NEO. There we go, another green candlestick there. As we get closer to the US markets open, guys, the volatility will start picking up a bit, and we're gonna see more and more movement. Polkadot is recovering nicely, currently trading at $28.59.57. Not bad, not bad. Will it correct though? Will it go where it was before, towards the $39-40 mark? Ripple is also correcting after a sharp drop, currently trading at 118.14. Stellar, good correction for Stellar, 60 cents. 49.11 is the current market price. 0.4911, 49 cents for Stellar right now. And Tron is correcting nicely, currently trading at 0.086861. Right, not a lot of red for Tron. Nice correction. Nice correction after that sharp drop that happened overnight. And Bitcoin started pushing to the upside. $40,655 for Bitcoin. Pushing to the upside, okay. Let's see what's going to happen in an hour or so from now as we get closer to the US markets open. This was the Crypto Pulse. Stay tuned, we're coming back live in exactly 30 seconds.
Discover how some of the top executives are trading their own companies with our Insider Trades tool. See who's been buying or selling stock and what their trades say about insider sentiment. Use this unique big data tool to make more informed stock trades. That's higher trading from MarketsX.
And we see some breaking news at the bottom of the screen, guys, in the right-hand side. We're looking at the headline, Opening Bell, US futures keep sliding, Europe shares drift, Bitcoin firms. This is what's happening on the markets today, guys. Remember, tomorrow, huge day in the economic calendar. USD is trading to the downside, guys. It keeps bouncing from that 200 moving average, 108.92 the current market price, with stochastic pointing downwards, RSI pointing downwards, and the price action falling below the 200 moving average. GBP USD in the right hand side, 141.27. Good performance on the European trading session for the pound. As we get closer to the US markets open, we see the pound almost getting ready for that slingshot effect. There we go. This is what I'm talking about. Let's decrease the time frame. Let's see that volatility moving. There we go, 141.31. With the RSI pointing upwards, stochastic pointing upwards. And if that slingshot effect will happen, probably traders will eye for 141.42 with the upside. Bitcoin, in the right-hand side of the screen, started trading higher over $40,000, $40,623 on the dot for Bitcoin. Very nice recovery. Very, very nice recovery. There's the sharp drop that happened. This is an hourly chart. Yeah, we saw that bottom there at 34,552. We saw a second bottom, a higher one, around the 35,670, and a lot of volume came into the markets probably for Bitcoin, and it pushed above the 40,000 mark. Let's look at Ethereum. There we go. Ethereum is standing tall as well at $2,747, heading towards that 200 moving average, inches away. What's going to happen with the crypto markets today at the US markets open, guys? That is the question. Is the sell-off going to continue or not? Join us in exactly 1 hour from now for the live session, live daily broadcast with the latest news pre-US markets open on this beautiful Thursday, 20th of May, 2021. Good afternoon, everyone. US dollar index in the left hand side of the screen is trading again below the $90 mark, 89.96 flat for the US dollar index. And as the closer we get to the US markets open, the more volatility we're gonna see. Let's have a quick look at some trading signals once again provided by investing.com. We're going to start with commodities, guys. Strong buy for gold, silver, and copper. Strong buy indications all over the board for gold, silver, and copper. Strong buy for crude oil WTI. Brent oil is neutral on a 5-minute chart. We're getting mixed signals there. Natural gas, strong buy, all green for natural gas. And US wheat, which was in a strong sell earlier on. now indicates a strong buy on a 5-minute chart. Probably a bit of correction. Let's see how currency pairs are doing. There we go. Right, okay, the markets seem to be calming down, showing 4 strong buy indications for the euro versus the US dollar. GBP USD again is indicating a strong buy on all 4 time frames. USD JPY strong sell. USD CHF strong sell. AUD USD and Euro GBP strong buy indications. And USD Cad strong sell on all 4 time frames.
Discover how some of the top executives are trading their own companies with our Insider Trades tool. See who's been buying or selling stock and what their trades say about insider sentiment. Use this unique big data tool to make more informed stock trades. That's higher trading from MarketX.